So a few days ago, there was a news in social media and on other international newspapers that U.S. governments had shut down different balloons over his airspace in U.S., in Mexico, and there was a news later on that they were also found in Canadian airspace as well. And there were also news that these balloons were belong to Chinese government, Chinese aircraft, and they put these balloons in US airspace and Canadian airspace to observe different locations of United States agencies. And Chinese government denied their allegations and they said these do not belong to them. Now the news is coming that Canadian government has banned TikTok in Canadian government agencies, Canadian government offices. US government allowed 30 days time period to check the government agencies to ban the TikTok. After Canadian government has banned TikTok from federal devices, now White House says that US agencies have 30 days of period to remove the TikTok from federal devices. And these directions has come after Congress has banned the TikTok on federal government devices in December last year. TikTok is owned by a Chinese company, and US Congress has very strong security concerns that they can give access to Communist Party in China. When a business is going to run advertisement on TikTok, the Chinese government required the business to reveal their customer data to the Chinese government. If they are going to advertise their business on TikTok, they will have to reveal their customer data to Chinese government in order to run ads for their business on TikTok. And that was main national security concerns that your experts are very concerned about. That they believe that data can be leaked, data can be used as a misinformation. Putting all the things on the other sides, if we see the TikTok as a business revenue, the TikTok is one of the growing platform in all over the world. Major businesses in Australia, US, and all over the countries, they use TikTok to promote their business, and they also use TikTok to promote their products, and many agencies use TikTok to promote their services as well. TikTok revenue is growing day by day, and in recent years, they have grown 50% of the revenue they have generated from previous years. Now, major companies who are putting millions and billions of dollars on Facebook and Instagram and Google to promote their products simply just shoot out a short video and simply put these videos on TikTok to promote their business. And one, so, TikTok videos can reach millions of people and they are very easy to reach because plenty of people are using TikTok at that time, and they are using, there's a very short clip that's a very 3 to 5 second clip, and they just scroll down the clip and move to the next clip. So once you gain a specific number of views on your TikTok account, TikTok allows you to put your business profile link in the description, from where you can get visitor to your website, from where you can get visitor to your business. That way people are using TikTok as a business purposes because they are going to promote their products through their services and their affiliate products. They do have a blog, they can promote their blog as well on TikTok. So TikTok is playing a major role nowadays in promoting the businesses products to and promoting the businesses services. And once US is going to ban TikTok in these countries, of course their businesses will suffer and their revenue will be more or less. Every platform has its own caliber. Like Facebook, different people use Facebook in different ages. There are plenty of age groups use Facebook, and TikTok, most of the people belong to young age. They use TikTok as a entertainment purpose, as to put their videos. So that will put a high impact on businesses in US, in Canada, and all over the world if these countries are going to ban TikTok. And these countries believe that their user data can be manipulated by Chinese government in future, and they can use the data to access what users are going to see on TikTok if they have access to their email, to access their phone number, and also they have access to their name and photos and each and everything. So they can manipulate that data in the easiest way, and they can see what are their interest, in which things they are going to put their interest more. So they can manipulate the data to have impact on the audience, to have impact in the US generation. As per data, 41% in the US, which belongs to 19 to 25 age, and they use TikTok on regular basis. TikTok has over 1 billion monthly active users, and Facebook has 2.9 billion, YouTube has 2.2 billion, Instagram has 1.4 billion, and Snapchat has 75 million people on their platform. And US government own stats show that from 2020, the TikTok has gained popularity in US and they have grown up to 123% only in US. Now, major concern is related to businesses. When these governments are going to ban TikTok, obviously their advertisement cost, the businesses who are going to advertise on TikTok, they will stop advertising on TikTok and they will use Google, Facebook, Instagram, and other social media platform, and their advertisement cost will rise up. Businesses are going to suffer because their advertisement cost will go up. They will put more revenue on Facebook, Instagram, Google, and all other platform where they YouTube and other platform where they can advertise their products. But most of the users who belongs to TikTok, they will shift to any other app who will be a duplicate of TikTok, a short form video. Facebook has introduced shorts and YouTube has introduced shorts, Instagram has introduced shorts. Other these social media gains have introduced their shorts to gain the traffic from TikTok to their own platform, which they are going to lose because during the TikTok grew in US, because during the TikTok time, these platforms have not introduced these kind of things, and once they check, their user are going to shift to other social media apps. So they just put short videos in their own platform. Now YouTube has also monetize these short videos to attract the user to their platform. But businesses who are advertising on TikTok, they are getting very good results from TikTok, from views. They are generating sales, they are generating more revenue, so they are going to suffer more. But in my point of view, if you are a business owner, if you are dependent on one platform, it will cost more to your business. If you are a business owner, how you can benefit using TikTok as a business owner? You can make short videos of your business and put them on TikTok. Once you grew a specific number of views on your TikTok account, TikTok will unlock a feature where you can put your business link in description. And once user will visit your profile, they can go to your website, they can go to your services website, they can visit your business using that link in the description. So if you are going to run your own blog, you can generate traffic from TikTok. Or if you are using affiliate marketing, you can just promote affiliate products on the TikTok. You can make short videos and put them on TikTok and generate efficient results using the TikTok. And plenty of people are doing that. If you have not subscribed my channel, please do subscribe, and I will be back with another video soon. Thank you. Bye bye.